Bag secured, I ain't stressing about tomorrow. Every dollar earned, erase a year's sorrow. Beg and borrow, nah, I don't subscribe to that. I designed a map and built the road and paved it flat. Stack, relax, attack the market, circle back. Multiple the revenue and never leave a track. Wait, let the weight of that last line appreciate. I went from late on rent to real estate with no debate. Money in it, spin it, flip it, reinvent it, minute by minute. Spend it on the vision, not the image, that's the limit. Bag secure, but the hunger never finished. Every check I cash is just to start a new beginnings. I don't flex the balance, I just flex the discipline. Money come and go, but principles don't bend with wind. They say for rainy days, I bought the weather system. Bag secure, you can't hack my algorithm. Fortune is a fortress and I'm guarding every brick. Every investment calculated, never pick for quick. Self-made money, got a taste that you can't counterfeit. Bag secured and I sealed it with the sweat. Every penny accounted for, no regret. From the dirt I built a fortress and I set the standard. Bag secured, that's a permanent bet. Bag secured and I sealed it with the sweat. Every penny accounted for, no regret. From the dirt I built a fortress and I set the standard. Bag secured, that's a permanent bet. Bag secured, that's a permanent bet. They were sleeping on the wave, I was riding in the dark. Building blueprints by the candlelight and making every mark. Hustle architecture, I designed it from the spark. Now the money flowing in and I don't need to disembark. Breathe, let it sink, every dollar is a domino position on the brink. One push and the whole operation starts to sink. Revenue streams connected like a chain without a link. I don't celebrate too early, that's a rookie mistake. Stay humble, stack the crumble, let the ego deflate. Money is a tool and I'm the craftsman with the slate. Bag secure since I decided I would never be late. Bank alert ding, another deposit slate. Watching zeros multiply at a supernatural rate. They can't replicate patience or the faith. Bag secured, I don't need to demonstrate. Bag secured and the seal will never crack. Every single dollar on a one-way track. From the struggle I extracted every fact and converted it to currency. No looking back. Final form, final bag, final execution. Money isn't luck, it's the product of solution. Every sacrifice compounded like a revolution. Bag secured, that's the ultimate conclusion. I don't need the validation or the public resolution. Stack in silence, let the balance be the retribution. From the bottom to the vault, no substitution. Bag secured, permanent institution. Bag secured and it's locked behind the steel. Every digit represents a wound that had to heal. From the nothing I created something real. Bag secured, that's the everlasting deal. Yeah, no receipt, no return, no exchange, no refund. Every dollar that I spent was a lesson I become. I don't keep the paperwork, I keep the outcome. No receipt, just the result and then some. Cash and carry, no receipt, they can't trace it. Money moving through the night, I don't waste it. Face it, I'm the type to taste it. Stack it, then replace it. Every dollar disembodied, then reincarnated. Off the record, off the books, off the statement. Cash advance on the future, call it prepayment. Wait, let the silence fill the space where the bass went. I've been making money since the days of the pavement. Flip the coin investment, join the grind and anoint. Every single dollar has a designated point. No receipt means nobody getting reimbursed. I put the money in the ground and watch the forest burst. Penny pincher, now I'm penny pitcher on the mound. Every cent I throw creates a multi-million